Today I am going to explain you how to write a job application which is asked in the section E of your paper, and it may carry round about 4 to 5 marks. Now when you are writing a job application, that is for your job, then what all things or what all points you are going to keep it in your mind. First of all, you have to study the topic given. Okay. Now here one topic we have chosen, and I'll teach you how to write a job application for the same topic. The topic given over here is write an application for the post of a librarian in reply to an advertisement in a newspaper. Apply with detailed biodata. Now, whenever we are writing an application, you might have read about that particular post in the newspaper. That ad is being published in the newspaper, and after reading that ad in the newspaper, you apply for that post, isn't it? So now, first of all, you will be writing your own address with the city as well as the PIN code number. Then you will be writing the date on which you are writing the application. That particular date you will write down. Then you will be writing the to whom you are writing the application. That is, you are writing to the head of that institution. Writing the application by addressing to the head of that particular institution. So you will write down the principal. Then you will write the name of that particular school. Then in which area that school is situated, that you will write down, and then the name of the city and the PIN code. Clear? After that, you will be leaving the line and write the subject. Now that subject is already given in your topic, that you are applying for the post of a librarian. So your subject will be application for the post of a librarian. Then you will start. Okay, so you will write, if you are writing the application to the head, so you can write directly sir or ma'am, and then you will start your application. Now how you start your application, because it is an application to a particular person who is not your relative. Okay. And the application which you are writing, it is an reply to an advertisement which was published in the newspaper. So with the reference to that advertisement, you are applying for the post of a librarian in this application, isn't it? So you will start with reference to your advertisement. Now in which newspaper you have read that advertisement, that name of that newspaper you are supposed to write. So with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India, dated. Now when you have read that advertisement, when that advertisement was published, that particular date you will write down. Dated, then that date you will write down. Then you will go further. I take this opportunity to send in my application for the above mentioned post, because you've already mentioned the post in the subject. Okay. Then continue. After that, I hold the necessary qualification and enclosed. Please find my detailed biodata for your kind consideration. That means whatever qualification you are having and your particular biodata you are going to write down. So first you will write down your biodata. In biodata you will be writing your name with your surname, then your age, then you will write your date of birth, languages which you know it, your mother tongue, your nationality and your phone number. Then your educational qualification. What are your qualifications? So first your qualification, what all degrees you hold. Then that particular degree, in which institution you have achieved that particular degree, that near institution you will note down. And in which year you have achieved that degree, that you will be writing, and what all percentage you have achieved in that particular degree, that you have to write. Now here you are applying for the post of a librarian, so you must be bachelor in library or master in library. Okay. So these two degrees if you are having, then only you can apply for the post of a librarian. So here you can see the qualifications. Okay. Then other than the qualification, if you are having any other knowledge, then you are supposed to mention. Other qualification means other than this degrees which you have achieved, any other qualification you are having. For example, you have knowledge about computers, then you can note down that also, working knowledge of computers. And if you have worked in any other institution, then you can mention the work experience also, that at present if you are working anywhere, you have to mention that at present working with so and so institution. And then if you are working, then what is the reason for the change, why you want to change and why you want to apply for this post, what is the reason. So you can write for better prospects. And salary, if you are expecting any salary, that salary also you can mention. Now your references are given, but these references are not required. If you do not write, it's okay. Okay. So now after that, you will be writing the conclusion of your application, that is, I hope the above information is as per your requirement. I look forward to being called for the personal interview. And if I am chosen, means you are assuring them, if I am chosen, I assure you of my best services always. Enclosed also find photocopies of my certificates for your kind. Means you just look for the certificates which are being provided, or which you have enclosed inside the you have enclosed with this application. Okay. Then you will be writing thanking you, and at last yours faithfully, and you will write down your name as well as your surname. So here we end with the job application. Now I will be teaching you how to write an email. Okay, now I'll explain you how to write an email. Now email is also a part of your writing section. So what all points are to be kept in mind while you are writing an email? Now email writing, it requires from, first you will write down from, email ID of the sender who has sent the email. Then two, these all things are required. Okay. Two, email ID of the receiver. Then CC, that is here you write down the carbon copy if your same email sent to others. Then the date. Then date is written because it is the test of your English language. Subject, what the email is about, that is your subject. And salutation is required over here. Then you will be writing the body in paragraphs. And at last a complimentary close is also needed. Means at last you will be writing, means you will be concluding the email. Now here we have the topic, that is, you are harassed by the commercial use of the residential premises in your area. So you are writing a letter to the editor of a daily informing about the sale. Now when you start with the email, first how you will write down, you just see. 2. Now email ID of the receiver, who is going to receive this email, the editor. Okay, so you will write down the email of that editor. Then from means who is writing, you yourself, so you have to write your email ID of a sender. Now you will be writing the subject, that is commercial use of the residential premises. Then the date when you are writing the email, that particular date you will mention. Then you will start with the email, that is, dear sir, I am a resident of. Now you will be mentioning your area in which where you are living. I am a resident of the area and I am a harassed citizen. Most of the residence flats in our society are being used as commercial premises. And this problem has arisen because our society is close to the commercial hub of the city. Then you'll make a paragraph. The commercial properties are very expensive, so many traders and entrepreneurs opt for renting and buying ground floor and first floor flats. Their vendors and staff are large in number and they take away the parking area of the society. The security of the members of the society is at stake as unknown faces keep coming almost daily. So it's not possible for the security also to just be aware of the people those who are coming over there. We have made complaints to the local municipal corporation, ward officer and the local police station, but no strict action has been taken. I am sure such situations must be prevalent elsewhere in the city where people must be facing the same agony that we are going through. Feeling utterly dejected and frustrated, I have approached you to please write a strong article against the commercial usage of the residential premises. Also, please publish my letter in the Citizens' Voice column so that the authorities may understand our woes and do the needful. Thanking you, yours truly, yours faithfully. Anything you can write, and you'll be writing your name. So, in this way, you'll be writing an email for your writing section. Okay. Now, in the next session, I'll be teaching you how to write speech. Okay. So, till then, just have a look at this, both the topics which I have taught you.